Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. Yes, it's that time of the week again, as you can see. It's Friday, 16th of September 2022. We're here to celebrate all those children in years 3, 4, 5 and 6. Before I start, I'd just like to thank all those parents for coming in and to listen to everyone read on Thursday. It was lovely to see so many of you in classrooms and in the hall with all the siblings as well. So thank you so much. It was so well attended. It was lovely to see you all and everyone sharing books together. So thanks ever so much for that. So we kick off this morning in year 3, and Miss Marshall says this child has grown in confidence over the last few weeks. They're having a go at answering questions, joining in all the time, and having the loudest voice when we retell our talk for writing. That's what we want. Really loud, really clear, so they know the story really well. Golden ticket goes to Crystal. There she is. Look at that big smile. Well done, Crystal. You've won the golden ticket. Keep it up, you superstar, and wonderful work on that talk for writing story as well. Keep it up. Enjoy taking this home with you today. Well done. Moving on, and we've got Mrs. Cook and Mr. Robertson. What a superstar this child has been so far. You'd not believe they've only just started year 3. I know. Amazing. Their work is always beautifully presented and they always try their best. They're kind, smiley, they really are smiley, and a good friend to everyone. Golden ticket goes to Alex. There she is. What an Alex. Look, all her classmates looking on her proudly as well. Really, I know everyone will be giving her a massive cheer. Alex, you won the golden ticket, you superstar. Well done. Thank you for being so smiling. Thank you for being such an amazing year 3. You superstar. Thank you. On to year 4. And Miss White says this person has really impressed us with their fantastic attitude at the start of year 4. They listen carefully to instructions and start every piece of work straight away. Brilliant. We have seen them being a good friend and making good choices. We've talked a lot about teamwork this week, and this person is a great team player. What a brilliant first impression. It is. Golden ticket goes to Lee. Look at Lee, Chrissy, look at that. Hey, what a handsome devil he is, hey? Well done, Lee, you superstar. Enjoy taking that home with you today. So proud of you. And all of that amazing work. So keep it up, please, buddy. Well done. Great start to year 4. On to Miss Barrett. And this is another child who has had a fantastic start to year 4. They listen carefully to all instructions from all adults. They present all work beautifully and they do everything with a lovely smile on their face. Again, it's infectious, that smiling. It doesn't cost anything. Just give us a smile. It's amazing. They really impressed me with their brilliant collaboration and teamwork during PE this week. They're an excellent partner and classmates others. Well done and keep it up. Olivia! There she is. Well done, Olivia. You absolute superstar. You are amazing. Keep smiling, keep being amazing, and keep working hard because you are absolutely nailing year 4. So well done. What a great start. Enjoy taking this home with you today, superstar. On to year 5, and Miss Musselwhite says, my golden ticket this week goes to someone who's impressed me constantly since the minute they started year 5. They're always ready to learn and they put 100% to every task they complete. Not only all of this, but they want to always do better and deepen their understanding of what we're learning. They're just an absolute superstar. They really are. Golden ticket goes to Milana. You absolute superstar. Well done. Enjoy taking this home with you. I know your brother will be proud of you up at high school. So really well done, Milana. Well deserved. And just keep it up throughout year 5. Well done. On to Miss Arthurton. And Miss Arthurton says, again, this was a difficult decision to make this week because so many of you impressed us. So well done, year 5. However, this child has stood out this week and impressed us with the commitment they've had to their learning in and out of the classroom. In the class, they're producing work to a high standard and always wanting to learn more. At home, this desire to learn does not stop. This child reads more than 5 times a week. Amazing. Completes quizzes on spelling shed, battles on timetable rockstar, and goes on read theory every day. Amazing. You really are an outstanding student and should be very proud of yourself. You should. Golden ticket goes to Chiquisha. There she is. Look at that. Chiquisha. Yes, you've done it. Well done. I know your sister's going to be proud of you as well. So really well done. Enjoy taking this home with you and keep being outstanding. Well done. On to year 6. And Mr. Davison says, the golden ticket in 6RD is awarded to someone who's consistently demonstrated the highest levels of enthusiasm and commitment to their learning in every lesson. They're inquisitive and ask questions, listen carefully during whole class discussion, and work studiously with their work partners. Brilliant. Some aspects of lessons thus far have challenged them, but they've continually embraced these challenges, never giving up. Well done. Additionally, they show kindness and care for others at all times and enjoy talking informally during playtimes. This award is richly deserved after such a fantastic transition to year 6. Congratulations to Jack. There he is. Well done, Jack. What a start to year 6 you have had. Absolute superstar. Just look at that. What Mr. Davison has said about you. Well done. Enjoy taking this home with you today. I know your sister will be proud of you as well, so well done. On we go. Finally, Miss Percy said, golden ticket this week is awarded to someone who's had a brilliant first 2 weeks in Year 6. They're an incredibly polite member of our class who has shown a real willingness to help out around the classroom, as well as helping their peers. They put 100% into every lesson we've done so far, and we've even had their work sent to Mr. Allen to feature on the Proud Wall. Twice I've seen this child for the Proud Wall this week. It's amazing. They're always smiling and a joy to have in our classroom. They're just making me smile thinking about them. I know they will keep this up throughout Year 6. Huge well done to Reese. Well done, Reese. There he is. Look, big smiling face. Well done, Reese. Really proud of you. Your brothers, I know, will be proud of you as well, but really well deserved. What a fantastic start to Year 6. And just keep it up. Amazing work as well. So really well done. Enjoy taking home with you today. There it is. Another great week from everyone. Well done. If it wasn't you this week, don't worry. Just copy these children, because who knows, it could be you up there next week. So just keep trying as hard as you can. We've had an amazing, amazing week. So well done, everyone, and thank you. This weekend, look, here we go. Complete the word search in the newsletter. Yes, Mr. Starling's going to put another word search in the newsletter to find as many words as we possibly can. We had great fun last weekend trying to find those. So let's have a look. Don't know what the theme is yet, so we'll find out when they go home this afternoon. So look out for that word search in the newsletter. Also, talk about your favourite book. I said earlier about all those parents who came yesterday to Reading Thursday. Thank you so, so much. Let's talk about our favourite authors. Let's talk about our favourite books and retell some of those stories. Immerse ourselves in reading, because it's been a brilliant, brilliant week for that. And finally, enjoy the extra day off on Monday. It is the Queen's funeral on Monday. School is closed. Children back on the Tuesday at 8:30. Gates will be open. Have a wonderful long weekend, everyone. And until then, bye-bye now.